empowering the world through innovative and accessible education.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to master Synthesys.ai, the powerful platform for generating high-quality synthetic data. Whether you're training AI models or building simulations, Synthesys.ai helps you scale fast with photorealistic human data. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding expert to use it. Synthesys.ai is an AI-powered platform that creates synthetic humans, basically digital people with customizable features, poses, lighting, and environments. It's used in computer vision, machine learning, and facial recognition. Instead of collecting real-world data, which can be slow and expensive, Synthesys lets you generate data at scale, with full control and ethical sourcing. Start by creating an account at Synthesys.ai. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here you can access your projects, API keys, and settings. To generate data, click New Dataset. You'll select options like model type, male, female, child, or custom face, camera angles and resolution, expressions and poses, lighting and backgrounds. Everything is designed to be point and click, no code required unless you're integrating with the API. You can customize your synthetic humans in incredible detail. Choose skin tones, hairstyles, eye color, clothing, even weather conditions. This is super helpful when you're training AI to recognize real-world variation, like how lighting or angles affect performance. If you're more technical, Synthesys.ai also offers a REST API. This lets you automate data generation and integrate it with your machine learning pipelines. You can request new images with specific attributes, set parameters for diversity, and download batches programmatically. They also provide SDKs and full API documentation to help you out. Once your dataset is ready, go to the Exports tab. You can download in various formats, JPG, PNG, or 3D pose annotations like JSON or Coco. You'll also get metadata for each image, which is super helpful for training models or labeling. People use Synthesys.ai for tons of projects: facial recognition accuracy, driver monitoring systems, augmented reality filters, and retail analytics. With synthetic data, you can simulate thousands of scenarios without privacy concerns. Here are a few best practices. Start small, test your model, and scale up. Mix different demographics for better training. Always validate synthetic data with real-world testing. Stay updated with the latest release. They're constantly adding features. And that's how to master Synthesys.ai in under 10 minutes. Whether you're training a neural network or building an AR app, this platform can save you time and money. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and drop your questions below. We read every comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.